Hi everybody, it's Stu. How are you doing? You know what I want to do tonight? Just show you something really quick and simple that you can do for dinner and saving a lot of money right now. My family loves, and your family will love it too, it's a crowd pleaser. I just picked up this chicken at the store. Look what you get right here. This is 3 pounds for all this chicken right here. And one of the things I did was I just took and sliced through it and just made them into thinner pieces. This is a deal right now. I'm gonna put some Stu's Simply Marinara on it. And then over here I have a pound of fresh made mozzarella that we do at the store every single day. Look at that. It's really creamy. That's why kids like it. That's why this is such a good meal right here. So here's all you have to do. Take the chicken right here. I'm gonna lay it in this dish. Whoop, stack it on top of each other, no problem. And then I'm gonna take a whole jar of this right here. The reason that we call it Simply Marinara is look it simply has Italian tomatoes, fresh garlic, fresh carrots, fresh onions, pure olive oil from Italy, fresh basil, oregano, salt and pepper, period, that's it. I'm just gonna take this entire container right here. How simple. That's all you do with that. You don't even have to really do too much. This is going in here, putting it in at 300 degrees. 10-15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'm gonna take the mozzarella here, fresh made mozzarella every day, and I'm gonna lay that on top, and then I got some fresh basil over here too. You know what's better? And I may sneak a little garlic in here because I love garlic. We go through a ton of that. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just taking and laying this mozzarella, and you can see how nice that is. Basil, love basil. Fresh, local, boom, that's it. Doesn't that look great? Look at that, I put it up to 400. Should be like 5 more minutes. Voila, that's my dinner for a Sunday night.